Hello, kiddos. How are you doing, kiddos? I believe you all are doing good. Okay, so welcome back to my one more interesting and fun video. Today we will learn something more fun. We'll have lots of fun today. Can you guess what's the topic for today? Yes, it's a bird's name. Okay, so we will learn 10 birds' name in English. Are you ready? Let's go! So, the first bird's name is dove. Dove. Say it with me. Dove. Next, this is woodpecker. 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 Say it with me. Woodpecker. Oh, lovely. This is swan. Swan. Say it with me. Swan. Oh, I love penguin. This is penguin. Penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. Oh, this is ostrich. Ostrich. Can you repeat it with me? Ostrich. This is hummingbird. Hummingbird. Say it with me. Hummingbird. Oh, this is crane. Crane. Say it with me. Crane. Oh, how lovely this flamingo is. This is flamingo. Flamingo. Say it with me. Flamingo. It looks so beautiful, isn't it, baby? Yes, it's vulture. This is vulture. Say it with me. Vulture. And last one, rooster. Rooster. Can you repeat it with me? Rooster. Well done. Wonderful, kiddos. So, we have learned 10 birds' name. So, let's repeat all the birds' name together. One more last time. Let's repeat it with me. Okay? So, dove. Dove. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Swan. Swan. Penguin. Penguin. Ostrich. Ostrich. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Crane. Crane. Flamingo. Flamingo. Vulture. Vulture. And rooster. Rooster. Yay! We have learned 10 birds today. So, kids, this is your task right now. You have to see this video and you have to practice and learn it every day. Okay? Because practice keeps you perfect. Okay? So, is it fun, right? If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for my effort and subscribe for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye-bye.